Hey guys, welcome back to Region of Tech. Are you tired of your iPhone getting slow because of junk files, duplicate photos or massive videos eating up all your space? Well, today I have got an insane solution for you, an AI powered cleaner that can do all it within just few steps. So without any further delay, let's start this video. So the app we're going to talk about is Cleanup Pro by TensorShare. It's an AI cleaning tool app which has a lot of great features that can help your iPhone to clean storage seamlessly without any issues. Whether you have duplicate or similar files, blurred photos, unnecessary screenshots or big photos files, it handles all of them for you. And in the photo section, you will get more option to sort the photos out. You can create folders and add specific photos to them, or you can just delete them by swiping up and down just like that. There is also privacy mode where you can create private albums to save your personal files, photos or anything else that you want to keep hidden. It even has a private contacts option, so if there is any secret contact that you want to hide, you can save it there too. So first of all, let's talk about manual cleaning. Here you can select by yourself which files you want to delete or which ones to keep. For example, in the duplicate section, you will find every duplicate file on your device. Just click on select all and then hit delete. After that, it will get deleted from your device, but don't forget to delete it from recently deleted in your Photos app if it is enabled. If you don't want to clean manually, you can just click on AI cleaning. It will do everything for you. It will select all unnecessary files, give you a full analysis and show what is going to be deleted. If you find something important, just unselect it and then click on clear. Then after some processing, all the unnecessary files will be deleted to free up the space. Now let's have a look to the another feature, that is photo compression, where all the large photo files are gathered in one place. All you have to do is select the file that you want to compress, then click on compress selected files at the bottom and then choose the standard or advanced quality. And here is the best part, the quality won't be lost. It will be the same as the original, just few pixels reduced to minimize the size. After compression, you will get two options, delete or keep. It's better to select delete to free up the unnecessary space taken up by the duplicate version of the files that are compressed. Same goes with the video, just select the video that you want to compress, choose the desired quality and then click on compress. That's it. There is also an option to enhance photos with AI. If you have a blurry picture or one with a lot of grains, you can enhance it by AI. Just select the picture and click on enhance now. After that, save the enhanced version of that particular photo to your gallery. It works amazingly well. This app is very simple to use and beginner friendly. If you want to try it, the link is given in the description. Go ahead and download the app and you will get full guidance and how to use it. If you install it from the link given in the description, you will get 3 days of free trial. Also, if you go to the profile section at the top, you can earn free AI cleanups by daily check-in, sharing or reviewing the app. This is a must-have app for iOS user to manage files, photos and contacts at one place. Other tips to free up the iPhone storage is offloading the unnecessary apps that you are not using and clear the website or Safari history regularly to remove cached data. This will help speed up your device as well. After the free trial, if you like the app, you can buy it. It's reliable and affordable. So that's all for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to share it with someone who might need it. Like the video and subscribe to Region of Tech if you are new here. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye and stay safe.